Introduction. Hello explorers and history buffs. When you think of Tuscany, images of rolling vineyards, charming medieval villages, and bustling art cities like Florence probably come to mind. But beyond the famous tourist trails, tucked away amidst the cypress-lined hills and ancient forests, lies a secret Tuscany, a world of abandoned villages, forgotten villas, and silent monasteries. These are Tuscany's lost places, hauntingly beautiful remnants of a bygone era, waiting to tell their untold stories. Today we're taking you on a journey to unveil these hidden gems, exploring the mystery, the beauty, and the poignant history that makes them so captivating. Get ready to discover a side of Tuscany you've never seen before. 1. The allure of the abandoned. Why are they so fascinating? What is it about these forgotten places that draws us in? Echoes of the past. Imagine walking through a village where time has stood still. A half-open door, a rusty plough, a faded fresco. Each detail whispers stories of the lives once lived there. These places offer a tangible connection to history, unfiltered by tourist crowds. Nature reclaiming its own. One of the most striking aspects of lost places is watching nature slowly reclaim human creations. Vines creeping over stone walls, trees growing through forgotten roofs. It's a powerful reminder of nature's relentless power and beauty. Mystery and intrigue. Why was this place abandoned? Was it economic hardship, natural disaster, war, or simply a shift in population? Each lost place has a mystery waiting to be unraveled, sparking our imagination. Photographic beauty. The decay, the light filtering through broken windows, the textures of weathered stone. These places are a photographer's dream, offering unique and poignant visual narratives. Lost places are like ghost towns, but with the distinct charm and history of Tuscany woven into their silent stones. 2. Why were they lost? Common stories behind Tuscany's abandoned sites. Tuscany's landscape is dotted with these forgotten sites for several reasons. Rural exodus, dopoguerra. After World War II, Italy underwent rapid industrialization. Many young people left the difficult, isolated lives in the countryside for jobs and opportunities in the burgeoning cities. Villages that relied on agriculture slowly emptied out. Changing agricultural practices. Traditional farming methods gave way to larger, more mechanized operations, making smaller, often remote land plots uneconomical. Economic decline. Some villages thrived on specific industries that eventually faded, leaving the community with no means of support. Natural disasters. Though less common, landslides, floods, or even just the threat of them sometimes forced entire communities to relocate. Shifting road networks. As new roads and highways were built, older, more isolated settlements found themselves cut off from vital commerce and communication, leading to their decline. These lost places are poignant reminders of Tuscany's ever-evolving economic and social landscape. 3. Iconic examples. A glimpse into Tuscany's hidden gems. Let's look at a few examples, some real, some illustrative, of the types of places you might find. Toiano, Pisa province. Often called a true ghost village, Toiano stands frozen in time. Imagine walking through empty streets, past a decaying church and houses still filled with remnants of daily life. Its last inhabitant left in 2000. It's a powerful symbol of the rural exodus. Monterone, Lazio, but close to Tuscan border. While technically in Lazio, this ancient Etruscan Roman city, abandoned due to malaria and then a devastating assault, is a magnificent ruin. Picture grand arches and crumbling palaces slowly being swallowed by vegetation, creating an almost mythical atmosphere. Mention that while strictly Lazio, it exemplifies the regional phenomena. The abandoned abbey of San Galgano, Siena province. Not truly lost as it's a popular site, but its roofless, majestic structure is a prime example of nature reclaiming a sacred space. Imagine the sun streaming through the open nave where a roof once stood, an incredibly atmospheric and photogenic ruin. good example of partial lost place feeling. Forgotten villas and farmhouses. Beyond entire villages, Tuscany is filled with countless abandoned farmhouses, casolari, and grand decaying villas. Each one tells a silent story of families, harvests and celebrations that once filled their rooms. You might stumble upon them during a hike, offering a truly personal discovery. Disused industrial sites. Even some old industrial sites like quarries or mines lie abandoned, creating fascinating, almost apocalyptic landscapes that are a stark contrast to the usual Tuscan beauty. These examples showcase the diverse types of lost places you can discover, each with its unique historical footprint. 4. Exploring responsibly. Tips for visiting Tuscany's lost places. These places are fragile and deserve our respect. Safety first. Many abandoned structures are unstable. Never enter crumbling buildings and always watch your footing. Go with a companion and inform others of your plans. Respect private property. Many lost places are still privately owned. Always respect fences, signs, and local residents. If in doubt, admire from afar. Leave no trace. Take nothing but photos. Leave nothing but footprints. Do not disturb artifacts, graffiti walls, or leave any trash. Preserve the site for future generations. Research and guides. For truly hidden spots, research is key. Sometimes local guides or specific tour operators specialize in visiting these less-known sites, ensuring a safe and respectful experience. Understand the history. Take the time to learn why a place became lost. Understanding its history adds immense depth to the experience. Exploring lost places is a privilege that comes with responsibility. Conclusion. Tuscany's lost places offer a hauntingly beautiful counter-narrative to the region's well-trodden paths. They are silent witnesses to centuries of history, human endeavor, and the relentless march of time. Walking through these forgotten villages, ancient ruins and decaying structures provides a profound connection to the past, reminding us of the transient nature of human creations and the enduring power of nature. So, next time you're in Tuscany, dare to venture off the beaten path. You might just discover a hidden piece of history that will captivate your imagination and redefine your understanding of this incredible Italian region. Altro. Which of these lost places most intrigues you? Have you ever explored an abandoned site and felt its history whisper? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow adventurers and history lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the hidden corners of our world. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.